Children, let's start The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 3. Scene 3 took place at the place of Shylock's house, the Jew. Venice, a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Launcelot. Jessica, she is the daughter of Shylock, and Launcelot, he is the son of Gobbo Launcelot, a kind of a, he is a kind of a humorous character in Merchant of Venice. Jessica. Now, the scene takes place when Launcelot decided to leave the company or the service of Shylock. He informs to Jessica that he is just going to leave the service of his father Shylock. So Jessica, she says, I am sorry, thou wilt leave my father, so our house is hell, and thou, a merry devil, didst rob it of some taste of tediousness, but fear thee well, there is a decade for thee. Now Jessica says she is just feeling sorry and regret that Launcelot is leaving the company, the service of his father. Our house is hell. She says our house is hell just because of her father, because he doesn't like any kind of entertainment in his house. A merry devil. She addressed Launcelot to a merry devil. Merry means entertaining devil. So he doesn't like a merry devil means here Launcelot, who makes some kind of entertainment in the house, didst rob it of some taste of tediousness, because sometime he takes off the tediousness or the tiredness of this house just because of his humorous jokes. But fear thee well. But last she says, I just fear you well, there is a ducat for you. Ducat's a gold coin, money. She gives to him here, and she says that this is for you. And Launcelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. So she says she is very clever. She just wanted to send a one letter to Lorenzo, to whom she is in love. So she gives a one letter to Launcelot, and she said, you just give this letter to your new master's guest. New master is Bassanio here, because Launcelot decided to take Bassanio as his master, and Lorenzo is the guest, is the friend of Bassanio. So she says, you give this letter at the time of supper to the new master's guest. Give him this letter, do it secretly, but do it secretly, give the letter secretly, and so farewell, because she is having a love affair with Lorenzo, and she didn't want that her father should know all these things. So that's why she doesn't inform to Launcelot, and she says like this to Launcelot, give him this letter, do it secretly give this letter to him, and so farewell, I would not have my father see him in talk with you. So she says, my father should not see me talk to you, and so I farewell to you, you can go now. Launcelot, adieu, tears exhibit my tongue most beautiful. So Launcelot said adieu, farewell means, and he says that tears exhibit, my tears are just exhibiting preventing my tongue to say you something most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived, but adieu, these foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit, adieu. So he says the pagan means here the non-believer in Christian, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee. So he says here is a beautiful pagan, and my dear Jews, goodbye. He is saying goodbye to all Jews, means Shylock, because he is just going to serve under the Christian Bassanio. And he says further, I will feel cheated if a Christian, means Lorenzo, is going to play dishonest and get you. So he says he is the Christian, Lorenzo is Christian, if he is just going to cheat you, I will not tolerate. But goodbye, these foolish tears somehow is just like that somewhat drawn my manly spirit. It's just showing that my manly spirit. So Jessica says, fareway, good Launcelot, alack, What heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? And she says farewell to Launcelot, and she feels a kind of a secret sin because being the child of Shylock. But though I am a daughter of his blood, but after all I am the daughter of his blood, of means the daughter of Shylock. I am not to his manners, but I am not like the manners like him. I am not like my father. Oh Lorenzo, if you thou keep my promise. And she says, Lorenzo, you should be like that, you should keep my promise, because he has promised her that he will just take away Jessica from the Shylock's house. So she is thinking, I shall end this strife. I just want to end this strife, this conflict, and I will just become Christian and thy loving wife. So here we finishes the Act 2 Scene 3. Now let's start this Act 2 Scene 4 is also very short like Scene 3. The place is Venice Street. Enter Graciano, Lorenzo, Salarino and Salanio. So here Lorenzo is just planning something, just like to just take away the Jessica from the Shylock's house. So Lorenzo is planning with his friends. He says, nay, we will sink away in supper time, disguise us at my lodging and return all in honor. So Lorenzo plans and says to his old friend, we will leave this place at the time of supper and we will disguise. Disguise means we will be just taking some others like means the personality change us at my lodging in my house and return all in an hour, and within an hour we will be just coming back. Because he is here, the Lorenzo is just planning a mask. Mask is a kind of a play, you can say, during the Elizabethan period, and Shakespeare has just painted all these masks in many of his plays very well, very beautifully. So mask is a kind of a entertainment during the Elizabethan period, when the Elizabeth was just ruling the country England. That time the mask was played as just like you just disguise someone else and you just wear some mask, and at the night the people comes with their mask in a procession in a crowd, and some people they just comes with a like a torch bearer, means they were just like a fire torches in their hand. They show the way to those people, those who are just walking on the road in a night hours, because earlier there was no electricity, so they used to carry the torch in their hand. So this kind of a mask was that the people used to just paint their faces or they wear the mask. So the Lorenzo is also planning a kind of mask so that he can just take away the Jessica from the Shylock's house. So Graciano, his friend, says, we have not made good preparation for the mask. Salarino, we have not spoke as yet of torchbearer. We have not decided about the torchbearer. They were all not ready. Salarino, it is vile, unless it may be quaintly ordered and better in my mind, not undertook. So he says it is vile. It will look cheap. It may be quaintly. It will be not look properly in a order. This is all comes in my mind if he'll be just taking this mask. Lorenzo, it is now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us. So he says it's 4 o'clock now. Still we have 2 hours, so we can just plan for the mask. Now enters Launcelot with a letter of Jessica, and he says, friend Launcelot, what's the news? So Lorenzo asks Launcelot, what is the news? Launcelot says, and it shall please you to break up this, shall seem to signify. So he says, if you will be just opening the seal of this letter, then you will get the news. Lorenzo, I know the hand in faith. It's a fair hand, and whiter than the paper it writ on is the fair hand that writ. So he compares the and he says that this has been written by Jessica, I know, because her handwriting is just like that, whiter than the white paper, because she is fair also like the white paper, and her handwriting is also very good. That's why I can understand this letter has been written by Jessica. Graciano, love news in faith. So Graciano guesses that it may be a love letter. Launcelot, by your leave, sir. Launcelot says, I am just going. Lorenzo, whither goes thou? Where are you going? Launcelot, marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian. Now he says, Mary is the Mother Mary, for God's Mother Mary. Sir, I'm just going to bid farewell to my old master Shylock the Jew, and to sup tonight with my new master the Christian. And I'm just going to, invite my previous master the Jew to have supper tonight, and with my new master the Christian Bassanio. Lorenzo, hold here, take this, gives money. Tell gentle Jessica I will not fail her. Speak it privately. Go, gentleman, will you prepare you for this mask tonight? I am provided of a torchbearer. Now Lorenzo says, give my message secretly to Jessica that I will be honest to her. And he says to all the gentlemen, to all his friends, that you all just be ready for the mask tonight, because I have got the torchbearer in the form of Jessica. So Celerino, Mary, I'll be gone about it straight. So Celerino says, we all are agree now, because we have got the torchbearer. Celanio, and so will I am also ready. Lorenzo, meet me and Graciano at Graciano's lodging some hour hence. So Lorenzo says, within some hours we'll just meet at the Graciano's place. Celerino, the good we do so. So he says we all are ready, and they all exit. Graciano, was not that letter from fair Jessica? Graciano, that was a letter from Jessica, I think so, he guesses. Lorenzo, I must needs tell thee all. She hath directed how I shall take her from her father's house, what gold and jewels she is furnished with. So now Lorenzo says, yes, I have got the idea from Jessica, because she has planned all thing already, and she is saying how I can take her out from her father's house. She is have just robbed all the gold and jewels with her of her father. What paid suit she hath in readiness, and she is having a one suit, one dress of one page. Page means servant's page, and she will be disguised in the suit of servant, so that she can just come out in a form of servant. If ever the Jew her father come to heaven, it will be for his gentle daughter, says. And Lorenzo says, if her father means Shylock would be ever in heaven just because of this gentle daughter's sake, because she just wanted to become Christian. That's why this kind of gentleness will go to her father also. He will be in heaven, maybe just because of only her daughter. And never dare misfortune cross her foot unless she do it under this excuse that she is issued to a faithless Jew. And if she'll be ever having any kind of misfortune or bad luck, just because of her father, because he is sinner and he is just faithless Jew, if she'll be just, see the two contrast, he says, if anything he'll get good, Shylock gets good just because of her daughter's good deeds, and if she'll be facing any kind of misfortune just because of her father's misdeed. Come, go with me, peruse this as thou goest, fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. And he says, let's go with me and read this as thou goest, fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. And he says, now read this letter, whichever the letter he has in his hand. He says to Graciano, you read this letter. And he says, the fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. Torchbearer is the person who shows the path to someone. So the same way, like in the mass, torchbearer, they show the path to the people, those who were moving in the night hours, in the darkness, with their painted face. The same way the torchbearer is the Jessica here, who is showing the path, how he can just take her away from her father's house. So here we have finishes the Act 2 Scene 4.